Kayla, what are you doing?
I'm helping Susie find bathing suits
Why are you finding Susie bathing suits?
because she's got a few and she wants me to help her pick out my favorite so she can bring them on the trip in a couple months.
Define a few.
No. Well, she needs 2 bathing suits, one to wear, one to dry.
How many does she have?
I'm not telling because my dad might be watching.
Is it more than...
Not gonna tell you. Not gonna tell you. I'm helping her pick out her favorite, like everyone should.
Does she understand that we have to do laundry in a bucket?
Yeah, but here's the cool thing about that though. Because we have limited space and the little pods and the laundry detergent and everything else was taking up a whole bunch of space. So I reached out to this company called Lazy Coconuts. And Lazy Coconuts have actually detergent sheets. Almost, it looks like a dryer sheet, but they're laundry detergent sheets. And they will store flat. So today is laundry day because somebody ran out of underwear. That could be me. That could be him. Anyway, it's laundry day. So we are going to try out the Lazy Coconuts. We are going to show you how phenomenal, if you live in an RV, a tiny home, a boat, kind of like we are, this, I believe, is game changer when it comes to doing laundry. We've already done a couple of loads, and today is a perfect day to do laundry. We have a lot of wind, and because we don't have a washer nor a dryer, so we will use our 7-gallon bucket for our washer, and to agitate, because a washer has to agitate, we sometimes put it in the dinghy, and when the dinghy is rocking up and down, that's our little agitator. And the wind, that's our dryer. It's natural. It's going back to our great grandma's days. Okay, for some of you it might be your great grandma's days, or some it might be your days. I'm not judging. Anyway, laundry day, let's do it. Yep, definitely laundry day. I'm agitated.
And I didn't do it.
You can already see the dirt that's coming off, or the soil. We don't have dirty clothes, we have soiled clothes. So we're going to let that sit for about 20 minutes and let it agitate itself up. Then we're going to put it into our other bucket, which is clean water or rinse water. Rinse that out, wring it out. Then we'll show you how we do our drying of the clothes. It's very pretty. Everywhere on this boat you're going to see flying underwear. Is what it is. Sorry. Okay. Enno has gone into town because he needs to get fuel and replace our jib sheet. The little catastrophe we had the other day. But so I am back doing laundry again. This is our second load, and you'll see that there are still a lot of suds. You'll see that there are quite a bit of suds still in here. And we just keep agitating from our little 7-gallon bucket. Then the first load I've already put over into the rinse bucket. Just rinse all this out, get all the soap out. Oops. And because it's only a 7-gallon bucket, we usually do probably about 4, maybe 5 loads. It depends on if we have sheets and towels and such The sheets and the comforter, we try to wait until we're on land. There's a washer and a dryer, but we haven't even looked for one where we are right now. So just another day of boat living. So this is all the laundry we were able to do. We did, I believe, 1, 2, 3, we did 4 bath towels and a kitchen towel. We did numerous pairs of bathing suits, shorts, shirts, probably about 6 or 7 a piece of it for us. And then we did, of course, in those underwear. Finally got clean underwear, but then again, so did I, so bonus for me. We did probably 4, maybe 5 bucket loads. I started it, then Enno finished it because, you know, he can do it all. He's laundryman today. Good. So we didn't get a whole big panoramic view of all the laundry hanging out, but that's not the point. The point is what Lazy Coconuts can do. It did all this laundry, 2 strips only. You saw those little detergent sheets that I showed you. Did all of this. So Lazy Coconuts is offering until October 15th a 10% discount. If at the checkout you put in there SV Discipleship in the little promo code area, and you will get 10% off of your purchase. So check out Lazy Coconuts at lazycoconuts.com and put an order in. You will not be disappointed, I can promise you. Original and gentle. On a boat, this is so incredibly appreciated what Lazy Coconuts has done. So go to their website, lazycoconuts.com, put in the discount code SV Discipleship when you check out, and get that 10% discount. All right, thanks so much. We'll see you later.
Now put away the laundry. All right.
Yes, man.
Hand me my laundry and I'll put it away.